Ordinary neighbors unlock astonishing skills that defy expectations, turning quiet streets into living showcases of hidden genius. From a baker who paints with flour dust to a bus driver who microtunes traffic lights, talents bloom unexpectedly. A retired librarian reconstructs fragile stories from memory, while a nurse decelerates time with flawless, soothing patient rituals. A teen coder writes elegant algorithms on napkins during lunch, revealing a future innovator hiding behind classroom clamor. These remarkable everyday abilities remind us that genius wears ordinary clothes and can emerge anywhere, anytime, when curiosity leads.